Earlier, we told you about a study conducted by the Schwartz Center for Compassionate Healthcare, concluding that doctor-patient rapport has a significant impact on the outcome of your care. We continue now with a look at how some of our hometown health specialists tailor their communication techniques, depending on whether they're talking with families, children, or spouses. When it comes to home health, Advanced Nursing Concepts is able to fill the void of care for a loved one, especially when the family is out of the area. Anxiety, fear, and guilt are common family member emotions when the care of, for instance, an elderly parent has been left to a stranger. That's why Advanced Nursing Concepts actively keeps family in the loop.
Very commonly when we talk to patients in whatever setting they're in, they're overwhelmed with the process to discharge from their setting. Whatever setting they may be in, they're overwhelmed with the process. You know, in a lot of cases we deal with family members that are out of town. Maybe they live in Michigan. I use Michigan because that's where I'm from. And I use that because it happens very frequently where we'll get a family, maybe they're 30, 40, 50-year-old kids, if you will, that have parents that live in the villages, or they live in somewhere in Lake County or Marion County or Sumter County. It's not uncommon that they've got to feel comfortable with us before they'll provide the endorsement to mom and dad as to the care that they're scheduled to receive from us. A lot of times when the families or the kids or the support systems don't live in the same area, but yet they want to find out how mom's doing, they call mom or dad and they get the rosy picture. Oh, everything's great. Don't worry about us. You guys go on with your life. It's not uncommon for us to give update calls to family members that live remote, or conversely have them call us, and we're glad to spend time, put our clinicians, put our nurses, home care aides, whoever's in the home taking care of the patient, put them in touch with them and let them provide updates as well. In home care, when you're dealing with patients, you want to promote quality of life. That's the goal. When you're dealing with families, you want to provide peace of mind. Advanced Nursing Concepts gets that. There's just no greater reward. Even though we're doing it because we're passionate about patient care, we know we provide good patient care, but to hear that, to hear that confirmation directly from them, it's probably one of the most rewarding things we have to go on here.
Advanced Nursing Concepts is a 4-time Home Care Elite recipient. To learn more about their services and philosophy to home health, view their specialist directory profile at yourhometownhealth.com.